this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Opera News mobile app if it is not working well. Now, for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should work on any other Android smartphone. So if your Opera News app is not responding, or it is causing errors, or it is not working, all you need to do is to look for settings and tap on it. And from here, scroll down until you get the apps option, which is this, and then tap on it to open. Now, under apps, you have to look for the option called manage apps. Tap on it to open. Now, this will open up all the apps you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you get to Opera News. My Opera News mobile app is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it to open. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning might be because of the storage data. And if you tap on storage, you can look at cache and user data. So you want to go ahead and clear this cache. And to do so, we have the clear data option here. Go ahead and tap on it and then click on the option called clear cache. Now, this will give you an option to confirm your selection. Go ahead and tap on it. And immediately you can see our cache has been cleared. Now, you may want to go ahead and restart your smartphone before you open the app to see if it is working well. But in case that did not solve the issue, come again under the app information, following the above steps, and this time around, you'll still again see the clear data option here, and then tap on it, and here we have an option to manage space. So tap on it. And here you have an option to clear all the articles maybe you have stored online and everything, even the cookies data on your app. Go ahead and select all of them and then select on clear. To confirm, go ahead and select on delete. And this will clear all the stored information on the app. Now from here, go ahead and now open your app and it should just work well. But should this process not solve your problem, now you may need to go to another step, and that is going to Play Store. Open your Play Store, and from here look for Opera News app, and then look for any update. If it is available, it will be written here, update. Go ahead and update your app, and then try opening it. At this point, it should just work fine, but in case you have any glitch on your current app, just go ahead and install it, and then come back to Play Store and install it afresh. By following any of those steps, your app should be up and running well without any issue. So if you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.